as always, I'd like to welcome back my mom, Diane Hunter, and we're talking about those Callaways, which we have exciting news.
Congratulations to those Callaways. They won.
I know.
If everybody remembers, a few weeks ago we were talking about the nomination they had received, national nomination for the Good Neighbor Award, only 10 realtors throughout the United States, and they won.
That is fantastic.
So we're very proud of them, and we're proud to represent them.
Yes, and I have a great house to talk about today. It's in Scottsdale Ranch. It's on a quiet cul-de-sac, and it's 3,249 square feet. It's got 3 en-suite bedrooms and 4 baths. It's got a wraparound balcony with 5 French exits, and it's got the breathtaking lake and McDowell Mountain views. They have a grand great room, which has wood-looking flooring, 2-side wood-burning fireplace, a wet bar with glass front cabinets, wine storage, ice maker, and a sink. In the kitchen, they have a stainless appliance package with marble counters, a twin set of custom glass sinks, eat-in bar, and a breakfast room. They have a sitting room with a master suite with its a private exit, fireplace walk-in closet, dual custom vessel sinks, vanity seating, walk-in shower, and jetted soak tub, and that's all in the master bath. The second bedroom has window seating overlooking the lake. The third one has a built-in workstation. I mean, this goes on and on of everything that they have.
Fabulous.
Yes, and then there's also community amenities that has a rec room, heated pool, and spa. So all of that for just $820,000.
Wow, what a
I know,
buy.
so this is a must-see, so people definitely need to come check them out today.
I agree.
Thanks for joining us.